Oh, just a section? We're looking.
Just a section.
Why in the hell are you hiking in a hurricane?
It's turning the other way.
You guys are as crazy as we are.
0.2 mile north on AT? No, I don't think so. We didn't pass any water yet today. No. Yeah. Oh, north, that's that way.
And here we are at Brown Gap Shelter. And there's some hikers. Anybody through hiking?
I'm doing a 300-mile section.
Wow.
I think anybody else is.
Where are you ending up at?
Springer.
You got a ways to
Going
go
south.
yet.
Yeah.
When do you think you'll get in?
Well, I got 12 days to get there, so hopefully within that.
It's 140 miles.
Yeah,
you
it
should be able
no
to do
problem.
that. You have a trail name?
Cutter.
Cutter.
Yeah, I was in the Coast Guard, so I got Coast Guard Cutter.
How long were you in for?
5 years, 5.5 years, right at 6.
Awesome.
Extended. Yeah. So now I'm just a photographer today.
Yes, same here.
You wanna
Videographer.
get
You have a trail name?
Nah, not really.
Oh! Anybody over here?
I keep forgetting what it is.
You?
Nah,
Not yet.
still trying to find it.
All right. Did you guys stay here last night?
Yeah. Well, they just came in early. What's that?
We came across this gnarly old Halloween tree, and I see a face right up there.
I see a couple of faces.
There's a face right there. Oh my God, that's such a face. See it?
Yeah. But if you look really hard, you can see other faces in the tree too.
Well, this one just, it jots out from you.
It's too windy.
Very windy, and it's beginning to rain a little bit. And if you don't think that's funny enough, we got blue, green, white, and orange. I look
Red.
like the Great Pumpkin.
Now it looks red. Very cute.
Just when you thought the going was easy, the Appalachian Trail does not disappoint. A lot of rocks.
Oh my gosh. That's why I don't
That's
recognize
I
it.
could never do anything with it. You have a trail name? Do you have a trail name?